This topic describes navigation throughout SAP Business One. During the topic, you will be presented with slides and product demonstrations. At the end of the presentation, you will be asked a few short test questions. The topic is approximately 15 minutes long. To move from slide to slide, simply click Next. To jump to a new section, use the navigation bar on the left-hand side of the screen. We hope you enjoyed the topic. At the conclusion of this topic, you will be able to log into an SAP Business One system. You can choose how data is displayed throughout the system, navigate successfully around the system, and create user-defined shortcuts. You navigate through SAP Business One using the main menu. The main menu arranges the functions of the individual applications in a tree structure. The company name and the name of the current user display at the top left. SAP Business One contains 14 core modules. Administration module, where system configurations are performed. Financials, where various accounting and financial activities are conducted. Sales opportunities, where existing customers and potential accounts are tracked. Sales, where orders are entered, shipped, and invoiced. Purchasing, where purchase orders are issued and goods received into inventory. Business partners, where customers, vendors, and leads are created and maintained. Banking, where cash is received and paid out. Inventory, where inventory is valued and managed. Production, where bills of materials are defined and the manufacturing or assembly process is tracked. Manufacturing Resource Planning or MRP, where purchase and production forecasting and estimation take place. Service, where after-sales services are managed. Human Resources, where employee information are kept. Reports, where system default and user-defined reports are generated using the Print Layout Designer, Advanced Layout Designer, Excel Reporter, and Crystal Reports 2008 Basic. E-commerce, allowing customers to buy and sell online to consumers and other businesses. In SAP Business One, there's the possibility of having more than one company running on a server. These companies can have multiple users, and each user, if given permission, can have access to each company. To gain access into Business One, a user must have a username and password for the company. When in Business One, it is possible to view all of the companies that are available on the local server. Once you have selected your company, it is possible to navigate around the system using such features as the command center, the message bar, and the menu bar. We will discuss and view these in more detail in the following slides.
For our first demonstration of SAP Business One, we will show you how to log in and choose a company. Double-click the SAP Business One icon on your desktop, and when you see the login screen, for your user code and password, type Manager and click OK. Some dialog boxes may be popping up. For now, just cancel them, and you may begin to explore the other modules. For our first demonstration of SAP Business One, we will show you how to log in and choose a company.
The SAP Business One menu bar is displayed at the top of the screen. The menu bar contains the Windows standard menu, such as File, Edit, Window, Help, and so on, as well as some generic SAP Business One functions. The toolbar is displayed under the menu bar. The toolbar is a collection of icon bars. The four main input tools that you are likely to come across are the selection list, the drop-down list, the navigation arrow, and tabulator key. By choosing the selection list, a window appears with a list of possible entries for that field. By selecting the drop-down list, a field of possible entries appears. By selecting the navigation arrow, you will be taken to another window of related information. By selecting the tabulator key, a list of possible entries will be shown. These keys and buttons all speed up the processes of creating documents in SAP Business One. If the user has authorization, they can change a field label by simply clicking Ctrl and double-click. This is extremely useful for system customization and familiarity. In case some terms seem unclear and not descriptive enough, that the user can simply log and change them.
In this demonstration, we will be exploring functions in a form. We will take sales AR and sales order as a common form in SAP Business One. Let's now scroll left and right using the next and previous data buttons as well as the last and first data buttons. This will take us to the last and first and the next and previous records. Now we will attempt to find a record of a sales order.
In SAP Business One, the user is given the option of which language they would like to view the data in. Users do not have to be in a different company to be able to view a different language. The user can be using the same company as somebody else and still view the system in a different language. The system has a diverse array of languages to choose from. To increase efficiency and navigation around SAP Business One, it is possible to create user-specific menus and shortcut keys. With user menus, you can create your own list of documents that are frequently opened and group them together.
Here we will learn efficiency through the creation of user shortcuts and user menus. Go to the Tools menu in your menu bar, click on My Shortcuts, and click on Customize.
The function known as Drag and Relate is a particularly effective and simple means of linking two business objects to create an ad hoc report. This means that anyone, even without programming or data.
In this demonstration, we will create an interim report using the Drag and Relate function. In your main menu, click on Drag and Relate, open Sales AR and Purchasing AP. What you see before you are merely placeholders. Open the Business Partners module and Business Partner form.
You are now able to log into an SAP Business One company, choose how data is displayed throughout the system, navigate successfully around the system, and create user-defined shortcuts and user menus for ease and efficiency. Thank you for your time.